Are you a beginner in share market trading and are wondering where to start? Do you want to learn how to make money easily by trading and investing in share market? Then watch this quick, short video for some priceless pointers by our expert at Nifty Indicators to get started. Hello and welcome to Nifty Indicators, a virtual academy where you will learn to study, analyze, trust and follow technical indicators and make profits a daily routine. Before we get started, we'd like to know where are you in your share market trading journey and what do you aspire to accomplish as a trader? Please do let us know in the comments below. Do's and don'ts of trading in share market for beginners. Initially, beginners should only do paper trading. Paper trading is virtual trading only on the paper without actually involving money, where we need to follow all the steps of actual trading like buying, selling, using stop loss and trailing stop loss. Follow and learn from experts and read write-ups to strengthen your fundamentals. Please do not hesitate to reach out to Nifty Indicators for any information. Ignore and avoid paid tippers at all costs. The only way to make profits consistently is through learning and enhancing your own knowledge. Once you start feeling confident and are ready to trade, plan the capital available for trading. It should never be more than 25% of your liquid cash. Now that you've decided to trade and have the capital, keep that as the maximum amount for trading for the next 3 to 4 months. Do not increase this amount and remember to always keep the profits aside. Next, you decide the segment you want to trade in, cash, futures, or options. Leverage as little as possible. Over-leveraging causes losses. Decide whether you want to be a long-term trader, short-term trader, day trader, positional trader. Before entering the trade, ask these 3 questions. Why are you entering this trade? What is your stop loss? What is your target? For the first few months, small but regular profits should be your mantra. Keep accumulating the profit and strictly adhere to stop loss. Remember, timing is a key factor in trading. Exiting at the right time is as important as entry, if not more. Never convert a losing day trade into a positional one. Do not average a losing trade. Learn to chase profit with trailing stop loss. Keep aside your profit and keep investing your profit regularly in blue chips for very long term. Every day invest some time and learn to read, study, analyze, trust and follow the technicals. With discipline and proper fund management, you too can achieve very good results. Remember, the only way you can make consistent profits is with self-discipline and constant learning. So keep at it, and you'll see how easy it is to make money. For more information, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Please note we do not provide any kind of tips to buy and sell in the financial market.